Hello, I'm Lucky Boy Mkondwani, and it has been a while since we posted something on this channel. Today I'll be introducing you to our newly arrived, fresh off the press booklets and posters. I'm so excited. Here are the posters. This is just a few that I decided to take up for the purpose of this video, and we have the booklets in these boxes. Series of posters that we have. The first one is basically the information on TLD, ART and pregnancy. In this one we concentrate more on women's health and on whether TLD is safe to take during pregnancy. And we also have a poster on ART and TB where it explains the interactions between TB treatment and TLD. We also have a poster on HIV advanced disease. And finally, the most important one, which is the poster that shows the different generic versions that we are having in our public health system, which I believe that is very important because people get confused when they go back for their treatment and they get a different version of the combination. In addition to the posters, we have information leaflets that explain broadly on the different topics. This is the starting ART one, and this is ART in pregnancy, and then we have ART and TB, and we have decided, because we are living in an era where we're going through a pandemic, to have one with information on HIV and COVID-19, and then we have one with very important information with regards to switching and also second line ART, and finally we have the advanced HIV disease booklets. So if you would like to have any of the posters and the booklets, they are available at our Johannesburg office and in all the provincial offices. The number to call if you'd like to get your hands on this is 011-100-4721, or you can drop me an email at luckyboy@tac.org.za. The details will be showing at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to seeing this and getting feedback from people who have experience in using them. Thank you so much. Bye.